Tap. Apps list.
Ayun, isang napakagandang araw po sa inyong lahat dito sa Master View Official. At siyempre, panibagong tutorial na naman po ang ating tatalakayin, no? So, yan, isang napakalamig na umaga sa inyong lahat. So ngayon, gusto ko lang ibahagi yung ating nahanap na paniguradong mapapakinabangan ninyo sa mga hanggang ngayon nakikinig pa rin ng radyo, no? So ngayon, gusto kong ibahagi yung isang radio application na kung saan pwede nyong i-customize yung mga radio station na pinapakinggan nyo. Example, alam nyo yung streaming link ng isang radio station at pwede nyo nang ilagay dito o i-add. So ang maganda pa doon, pwede nyo pang i-back up at saka i-restore yung mga station na yun para at least hindi mawala. So example, wala dito yung gusto nyo pakinggan kasi dito meron ng mga naka-default na station na pwede nyo pakinggan. Pero kung halimbawa wala man dito yung streaming link o yung mismong radio station na gusto nyo pakinggan, pwede nyo i-add dito yung station na yun, basta alam nyo lang yung streaming link. So yung streaming link po hindi basta-basta po yung nakukuha. Ituturo ko na lang po sa inyo kung paano kumuha ng streaming link, no? So meron pong isang website na kung saan ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section kung nakita nyo mamaya, ilalagay ko na lang yung dalawang link na yon para ma-download nyo itong application na to sa Play Store at saka makapag-search kayo ng streaming link sa website gamit yung ibibigay ko na link. So doon kayo kukuha ng streaming link na i-add nyo dito kung halimbawa wala man dito yung gusto nyo pakinggan. So ngayon, umpisahan natin, siyempre i-search na natin sa Play Store yung V Radio. Yan, search natin sa Play Store yun, V Radio as in Victory,
Telegram, YouTube, Team, TikTok Lite, Play Store. Play Store. Books. Search. Apps. Search Google Play. Search Google Play.
Yan, search natin dito V Radio.
V Victor. Play Store. R Romeo. A Alpha. A D Delta. D I India. I O Oscar.
Yun.
Search clear. Radio text box.
Yan, so search natin.
Search. Navigate up. Radio. Apps. Games. Apps. Select books. Sponsored. More options. Radio. Install. Radio Philippines Online Radio. Radio. Install. Radio. Online radio app. Volume contains ads in-app purchases. Listen to thousands of radio stations online.
Yun. To.
Radio. Volume Radio. Online
Check
radio
natin.
app. Characters. Capital V Victor. Capital R Romeo. Alpha. D Delta. I India. O Oscar. Space.
Yan, eksakto. V Radio.
Default.
So
Contains ads. Average rating 4. 10 MB. Content rated. Downloaded 1 million plus. Install.
install natin. Actually dalawa sana to kaya lang yung isa kasi naubos ko na yung yung tawag dito, yung free niya. Kasi hanggang 5 streaming lang yung pwede mong ilagay dun Yan. Yung stream Weaver. Yung isa naman. Kasi marami itong kasi pwede nyo pang i-record dito. Pwede nyo pang i-record dito yung gusto nyong yung pinapanggan nyo, pwede nyong i-record dito. So
Radio, online radio app install.
natin.
Uninstall. Open.
Yan. So open natin siya.
Radio. Open side menu button. Radio. Cat. Search button. Favorite. More options button. Premium, remove the app's ads and unlock premium features. Explore.
So
Premium, remove the app's ads and unlock premium features.
yan, dito muna tayo. So dito kapag gusto niyo sang bilihin o suportahan siyempre yung developer kasi maganda rin naman talaga yung application. Pwede nyong bilhin ito o kaya mag-subscribe. Tap natin nga.
Dismiss. Dismiss. Already purchased. Remove the app's ads. No full screen ads. No banner ads. Distinct audio configuration for each station and audio output.
Yan.
Record any type of stream as fade out for the sleep timer. Widget transparency adjustment.
So kayo na lang yung magbasa niyan, no?
More access to all features on Android TV. Access to all future monthly subscription 12.99/month button.
12 pesos lang yung monthly niya. So, napakamura lang.
Annual subscription 155.00/year button.
Yan, 150 naman yung isang taon. Tapos,
Show all options.
yan, tap natin nga.
Dismiss button. All purchases work on all devices with the same Google account. The app does not place audio.
Option na.
All purchases work. Dismiss. All. No. Fade out. Widget. Month. Annual sub. One-off payment 990.00 button.
Yan,
Annual subscription 100. One-off payment 990.00 button.
Yan, 990. So, pagpalagay mo na lang, 1,000 yan kasi may tax yung Google.
The app does not place audio ads. You will continue to hear advertisements from radio stations, even those that play before or during the radio transmission. All purchases work on all. Dismiss button.
So, may ads
Radio.
lang.
Premium. Remove the app's ads and unlock premium features.
Pero, nagagamit nyo naman siyempre.
Explore. Countries and regions. Categories. Country. Explore. The station list has been updated. Explore. Countries and regions.
So, kapag gusto nyong makinig ng mga nakasave na dito na radio station, kasi may mga nakasave na dito, tap nyo lang yan.
Explore. Countries and regions.
Yan, country in region, tap nyo lang yan.
Cast. Search button. Favorite. More options button. Philippines.
Yan, so halimbawa, tapat itong Philippines.
Cast. Search button. More options. All location. I call 13 stations. Cagayan Valley 5 stations.
Yan, bawa dito sa Cagayan Valley, tap natin. Ang maganda dito, sinasabi niya kung ilan yung station na nasa isang lugar. So, tap natin yan.
Search. More. Basta Radio. Love Radio. Amba Radio 2 Tegarao. Radio Nuevo Vizcaya. Amba Radio 2 Tegarao.
Tap natin itong Bombo Radio. Kung tutugtog.
Social Welfare and Development o
You know,
DSWD
Radio
Region
Nuevo
2
Vizcaya FM.
pinarangalan ang media sa Likha at Laya 2020.
Di ba tumutugtog sa. So, ngayon kung gusto niyo isang i-add sa favorite, halimbawa,
Amba Radio 2 Tegarao.
para hindi na kayo pumunta dito, ilong press nyo lang
Amba
yan.
Radio 2 Tegarao. Start playback button. Navigate up button. Cast. Search. Basta Radio. Amba Radio 2 Tegarao.
Yan, long press nyo lang.
Amba Radio 2 Tegarao. Amba Listen. Pop-up window. Add to favorites. Visit website. Set as alarm clock. Create shortcut. Amba Radio minus. Listen. Start recording. Add to favorites.
Yan o, add to favorite. So, yan, para pagkano, doon nyo na lang puntahan sa favorite para mapakinggan ninyo sa. So, ngayon,
Radio.
lipat tayo.
Sorting popularity button. Philippines. Cast. Search button. More options button. All. I call search. Calabarzon 12 stations. Cast.
Lipat tayo.
Search button. Favorites button. More Philippines. Albania. Algeria.
Wait lang.
Cast. Search button. More premium room. Explore. Countries and categories. Station networks. Popular stations. Suggested stations. No. Suggested stations. Personalization. Favorites. User stations.
Yan, ito yung pinakagusto ko dito ngayon. Yung user station. Kasi dito nyo ilalagay yung streaming link. Halimbawa, yun nga, yung kagaya nga lang sabi ko kanina, wala dito yung gusto nyo pakinggan. So, basta meron lang kayong streaming link na hawak, pwede yung i-add dito. Example, tap natin.
User stations. Favorites. User stations. User stations. Cast.
Sample
Search
natin.
button. Favorite. More options button. The user stations list is empty. To add a user, custom, station, press the plus button and tap on create station.
Yan, tapos hanapin nyo yung,
Sorting custom button. Appearance tiles button. More actions button.
yan,
Appearance tiles button.
yan yung katabi niyan, more option.
More actions button.
Yan, yung katabi nito yan.
Appearance tiles button.
Yan, tapos yung kanan niya,
More actions button.
yan, more option. Tap natin yan.
User stations. User station. Create station. Create folder. Create station.
Yan, create station. So, tap natin yan.
Radio. More actions button. Navigate. Create station. Cast. Search button. Favorite. More options. Name text box.
Yan, so lagay natin yung name. Example yung Bombo Radio Tagigaraw, kukopyahin ko yung pangalan. Wait lang, kasi may nakasave na sa akin yung streaming link nila eh.
Amba Radio Loud button. Amba Chat button. Amba Radio 2 Tegarao button.
Yan. I-copy natin.
Copied.
Yan, tapos
Long press it. Amba Radio 2
lagyan
Tegarao.
natin yung link.
Copy link. Copy to clipboard.
Yan.
Stream URL. Name text box.
So dito ilagay natin yung name.
Clipboard history. And HTTPS. Amba Radio 2 Tegarao.
Yan.
Radio. Stream URL. Amba Radio 2 Tegarao text box. Stream URL text box.
So tap natin to yung streaming URL.
Stream URL text box. Editing.
Yan. So lagay natin dito. Wait.
Stream URL text box. Editing. Stream
So,
URL text box. Editing.
Hindi ako mapunta sa shortcut ng clipboard history.
Clipboard history.
Yan.
Enter keyword. https://radio. Add additional stream.
So, ito na yung ito niya.
https:// add additional stream.
So, next.
Website text box.
So, okay na yan. Huwag nang ano yan. Gagana pa rin yan.
Stat logo button. User agent. Navigate up button.
Yan, i-back nyo lang ng isang beses kasi ano, para lumitaw yung save.
Cast. Paragraphs. Default.
Yan,
H.
para
Add
lumitaw yung
website text
save.
box. Stat logo button. User agent. HTTP. Check add to favorites checkbox. Save. Check add to favorites checkbox.
Kahit wag nyo nang i-check yan kasi pagka pumunta naman kayo sa user station, eh nandun naman yun. Uncheck na natin.
Uncheck add to favorites checkbox.
Yan.
Save.
So, save natin.
Combo radio to Decker out.
Yun.
Start playback button. Create station. Cast. Search button. Favorites. More options button. Combo radio to Decker out. Add additional stream.
Doon na save.
User rate. Uncheck add. Save. Combo. Save. Combo radio to Decker out. Save.
Save natin.
The station has been saved.
Yan. So, na-save na.
User. Cast. Search button. More options button. Combo. Sorting custom button. Combo radio to Decker out.
So, double tap ka natin. Kung magpi-play siya.
Gayan. Basta.
Yun o. Tumutugtog, ano?
87.
So, ang maganda pa dito kasi, pwede nyo siyang i-record. So, halimbawa, itap natin to.
Sorting. Combo radio to Decker out.
Yan, tap natin itong bomba rito gagaraw.
Dismiss.
Tapos dito,
Start button next button. Start recording button.
start recording. Tap natin.
Started recording.
Yan, so nag-i-start na siya.
Dismiss. Start recording button unavailable.
Yan. So, sana hindi tayo maka-copyright dito, no? Commercial lang naman, no?
Sa UCV din nag-aral ang
Yan,
apo ko
so,
Join the
habang
University of Cagayan Valley,
nagre-record siya,
the first ever private
subukan natin
non-sectarian
nga kung
university
maririnig pa
in
yung
Region
boses ko
2,
dun sa
the
recording.
lead host school for the National Prisaa Games 2025,
So, yun.
and named one
Button
of
next
the
button
top
available.
400
Stop playback
universities with
Tap
top
natin itong
rankings
stop
in 3
playback.
categories in the 20
Recording is completed.
Yan, so, natapos na rin yung recording niya. So, pakinggan natin.
Start. Select quality button. Cast. Disconnected button. Select radio.
So,
Combo
pwede
radio
kayo
to Decker out.
mamili ng quality, no?
Sorting cut. Appearance type. More
Yan, yun na lang
combo.
yun.
Start playback button. Navigate. User stations.
So, back na natin yan. Lipat tayo sa...
Search. Favorite. More. Combo radio. Sorting cut. Appearance type. More action. Combo radio. Start play. Navigate up
Wait.
button. Radio. Search. More up. Premium room. Explore. Countries. Categories. Station. Popular. Suggested. Suggested stations. Person. Favorites. User stations. Recordings. Alarm. Recordings.
Yan, recording.
Search
Sige
button.
nga.
More up. Combo radio to Decker out. More actions button. Combo radio to Decker out.
Tap natin to.
Combo radio to Decker out. Start. Navigate. Recordings. Cast. Search button. More options button. Combo radio to Decker out. More actions button. Combo radio to Decker out. More / combo radio to Decker out. Sorting recent button. Create folder button. Combo radio to Decker out. Start playback button. Navigate up button. Create folder button. Combo radio. Start playback button.
Hindi ko makita yung ano.
Start playback button.
Yung...
More options
record.
button. MP3 Combo Radio to Decker out 2026
Ay, ito na pala.
3108_11_44_503.26 KB music folder.
Sige nga, tap natin.
MP3.
Isa ng general ang apo ko.
Teka nga, saan ba nag-aral ang mga apo nyo?
Sa UCV.
Ha? Sa UCV din nag-aral ang apo ko.
Diyan sa parte nagsasalita na ako kanina,
Join
no?
the
So,
University
hindi
of
nakuha.
Cagayan Valley, the first ever private non-sectarian university in Region 2, the lead host school for the National Prisaa Games 2025, and named one of the top 400 universities with top rankings in 3 categories in the 2025.
So, ayun. Nakita nyo naman, maganda yung kanyang recording. So, napakaganda ng application na to dahil nga
100% player.
pagka wala dito yung ano, yung gusto niyo na pakinggan, pwede yung i-add gamit yung streaming link. So ngayon, lipat tayo ng
0032.
settings.
Radio. / sorting recent. Create. Start
May
playback button.
mga
Recordings. Cast. Search button. More options button.
ayusin lang tayo.
Cast. Disc. Radio. Open side menu button.
Yan, so tap natin itong side menu na to.
Unchecked alarm clocks. Unchecked popular stations. Unchecked station networks. Unchecked alarm clocks. Unchecked sleep timer. Unchecked schedules. Unchecked audio equalizer. Unchecked troubleshooting. Unchecked settings.
Yan, settings tayo.
Radio. Cast. Search button. More options. Appearance. Application theme is active. Application language system language. Volume bar show on now playing screen. Status bar visible only on portrait mode. Notification style default. Advertisements full screen. App startup. Autoplay on startup automatically start playback of the last station when the application opens. Startup screen home screen. Omen. Start autoplay on startup automatically start playback of the last station when the application opens.
Yun, so ito, naka-off sa akin to kasi
Startup
open
screen.
natin.
Omen. Off switch.
Kapag naka-on kasi yan, kapag nag-close all kayo, tapos pagkapapasukin nyo ulit yung application, automatic na magpi-play yung huli nyong pinakinggan. So, sa akin naka-off yan.
Connectivity. Allow mobile data. Mobile data will be used when no Omen. Reconnection attempts for 3 minutes. Pre-buffering duration 1 second. App behavior. Autoplay on Bluetooth device connection. Stop on headset unplug. Stop playback when the headset Omen. Uninterruptible playback. Playback should not stop when another app requests audio focus. Off. Playback should not stop when another app requests audio focus.
Yan, so napakaganda rin ito. Kasi halimbawa, maganda yung pinapakinggan nyo. So, may nag-boost clip sa inyo. Halimbawa ganun, may nag-boost clip. So, kapag naka-on ito,
Playback should not stop when another app requests off. Playback should not stop when another app requests audio focus.
kapag naka-on yan, kahit na mag-play kayo o mag-record kayo ng boost clip, hindi mawawala yung yung aragi na pinakikinggan nyo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung papi-play niya. Hindi sa mai-stop para bigyang daan yung pangalawang papakinggan nyo o magre-record kayo ganun. So hindi ganun. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung radio na to kahit na nakikinig kayo ng boost clip o nagre-record o kung ano man. So ito yung maganda dito sa application na to kasi meron siyang kakayahan na ganun. Yung kahit na may pinakikinggan ka na iba dito, hindi niya i-interrupt yung radio. Basta naka-on lang yan.
Off. Playback should not stop when another app requests audio focus.
Yan, so dapat naka-on yan kung gusto nyo ng ganun. Pero kung naka-off yan, sabi pagka nag-voice clip kayo o nag-record kayo, mamamatay yung yung radio, mag-i-stop.
Off. On brief notifications mute. Off.
Yan.
Playback should not stop when another app requests audio focus.
Sa akin naka-off yan.
On brief notifications mute. Stop on task removed. Playback should stop when the app is removed from the task manager. This option has no effect on task managers that terminate the app's process. Off. Playback should stop when the app is removed from the task manager. This option has no effect on task managers that terminate the app's process.
So sa akin naka-on yan.
Off. On switch. Playback should stop when the app is removed from the task manager. This option has no effect on task managers that terminate the app's process.
Yan, sa akin naka-on yan kasi pag naka-off yan, kahit na mag-close all kayo ng recent app, tumutugtog pa rin yung radio. Pagka nakikinig yan, bawa, tapos gusto mo na i-close all. Kahit i-close all mo yan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung magpi-play niya. So kung naka-off siya.
Omen.
So dapat naka-on yan para pagka gusto mo nang i-close talaga, pag-close din yung pinakikinggan mo. Pero pag naka-off, kahit i-close all mo yan, mag-close yung application pero yung tugtog tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Ewan ko lang sa ibang phone, gumagana yan. Kasi dito sa Oppo, gumagana Sa Redmi kasi, totally, kinu-close niya lahat yung mga application Kaya ewan ko kung pwedeng i-apply yung option na to.
Keep screen awake never. Previous / next button.
Yun.
Media on stations recording. Media commands ignore while recording. On stations recording. On pause command from new stations recording. Save recordings to music folder. Recordings quality original quality. Recordings file name station name date time. Recordings quality original quality.
Yun. Dahil kung napapalitan yan.
Record premium. Check the original quality radio button. Uncheck MP3 radio button. Choose a button. Uncheck check the original quality radio button.
Yan, so mas maganda yung original siguro para kahit anong tunog ng radyo, yun yung makukuha niya.
Premium. Check the uncheck MP. Choose a button. Recordings quality. Choose a
So,
button.
huwag natin galawin yan.
Radio. Recordings quality. Recordings file name station. Recordings grouping by station name. Cast to other devices. Remotely control up/DLNA devices enabled. Compatibility mode. Link. Remotely control the playback and the volume on radio. Off. Resume local playback. Resume playback on this device after disconnect. Omen. Resume playback on this device after disconnecting from a cast device. Omen. Stop remote playback. Stop remote playback. Omen. Backup and sync. Create backup. Create a backup. Backup and synchronization. Create backup. Create a backup file of your stations and preferences.
Yun, so pwede nyo pang i-backup Pero hindi ko pa natatry to kasi yung binaback up ko lang dito yung station.
Restore backup file that contains stations and preferences. Synchronization login with your account. Create a backup file of your stations and preferences.
Sige nga, testingin natin. Kasi yung sinusubukan ko lang na yung import
Create
eh.
backup.
Subukan natin.
Create backup.
Create
Check favorites
backup.
checkbox. Check user stations checkbox. Check titles collection checkbox. Check audio configuration checkbox. Check alarm clocks checkbox. Check schedules checkbox. Check settings checkbox. Choose a button.
Diba ang ganda?
Create backup. Choose a button. Radio. Download.
So papasok sa dito.
Save. Backup 2026-01-31. Save button.
Ayan.
Backup file has been created.
Yun.
Save.
Sige nga.
Playback button.
Subukan nga natin i-clear
Open side
data.
menu button. Play Store. Open.
Clear data natin.
Apps. Open.
Subukan natin kung ano.
Chrome. Team Talk. TikTok Lite. Chrome. Play Store. Chrome. Facebook. App. Telegram. YouTube Revanced. Hyperion. Zoom. Radio.
Yan. I-clear data natin na para
Shortcuts.
test natin kung talagang
Hyperion.
legit.
Favorites. Alarm clocks. App info button. Hyperion. Uninstall. Open app info and settings. Player invasion of this app. Version 2. Permissions. Data usage 0B. Storage usage 34.7 MB.
Sige nga.
Storage use. Cache 507. Clear data button. Clear data. Cancel button. Delete button. Storage.
Yan.
Cache 0B.
So dito natin.
Apps list. Calculator. Camera. Cache reader. Chrome. Clock. Zoom. E-music. Radio.
Na to.
Search button. Favorite. More options button. Explore. Countries and categories. Station. Popular. Suggested stations. Favorites. User stations.
Yan. Dito tayo pumunta para ma-check natin kung nandito pa yung bomba bago ito kay Garaw.
User stations. Search button. Favorite. More options button. The user stations list is empty. To add a user custom station,
Oh,
press
wala
the
na.
plus button and tap on sorting. The user stations list is empty. To add a user custom station, press the plus button and tap on create station.
Nga, subukan nga natin.
Sorting. Appearance tiles button. Titles history. Audio settings. More actions button. More actions button. Recently listened. Recently listened history. More actions button. Data usage Wi-Fi 0. Data usage. Open side menu button.
Yan. So, side menu. Tap natin.
Unchecked alarm clocks. Uncheck schedules. Uncheck troubleshooting. Uncheck settings.
Yan. Tap natin
Radio.
ito.
Omen. Comic. Allow. Omen. App. Off. Omen.
Marami kasi siyang settings.
Playback. Off. Cast to other. Remotely. Link. Off. Resume. Omen. Stop. Omen. Create. Restore backup. Restore backup file that contains stations and preferences.
Yan. Tap natin ito.
Restore
Restore.
backup. Restore backup. Check favorites checkbox. Restore backup. Choose a button.
Yan.
Radio. Download. Uncheck documents button.
Hanapin natin dito.
Search button. More update. Backup 2026-01-31. Backup
tapat ito.
2026. Backup has been restored.
Yun.
Radio.
Sige
Task.
nga.
Search button. More
Tapos
appearance.
yung-
Application. Volume bar. Status bar. Notification. App startup.
Ay, yung wait lang. Yung ano
Search
kanina.
button.
Yung inop ko.
Cast.
Kasi
Disconnected.
di ba mayroon ako
Search
inop
button.
kanina.
More options button. Appearance.
Kasi nun.
Application language. System language. Notification. Advertisement. App startup. Autoplay. Startup screen. Home screen. Off. Allow mobile data. Omen. Pre-buffer. App. This. Auto. Stop on headset. Unplug. Stop. Omen. Uninterruptible. Playback should not. Off. Playback should not stop when another app requests audio focus.
Yan. So, naka-off yan.
Off. On brief. Stop on task. Playback should. Omen. Playback should stop when the app is removed from the task manager. This option has no effect on task managers. That terminates the app's process.
Yan.
Omen.
So, kanina naka-off yan. Yung default niya. Pero ngayon, naka-on na siya. So, yun. Tama
Media
naman.
commands.
Ano?
Ignore while recording.
So,
Radio. Search button. More. Suggest. Personal. Favorites. User. Recordings. User stations.
user station.
Map. User. Cast. Search button. More options button. Combo radio to Figure out.
Yun, nandyan na naman. So, na-add na. So, yung alam ko lang kasi kanina, itong import lang.
Sort. Appearance tiles button. More actions button.
Yan.
User stations. Users. Create station. Create folder. Delete all. Synchronization. Import stations.
Yan. So,
Export stations.
yan lang yung alam ko kanina. Yung backup, ngayon ko lang na-explore nung ginagawa natin tong tutorial, no? So, yun, Sana nagustuhan niyo itong ano na to, no, tutorial. So, sa mga gusto mag-install ng radio na to, nasa Play Store naman. Lalagay ko na lang yung link.
Users.
So,
Radio. More actions
bilang
button.
panguli, para makakuha kayo ng streaming link, example, yung station na wala, yung station na wala dito, pwede nyo idagdag, no? So, pwede nyo i-add. So, pasok lang kayo sa site na to. Wait.
Link manager. Chat button. DZ. Stream the radio. Google my stream the radio stream directory button.
Yan, so tap natin yan.
Radio.
Yung link manager na yan, extension yan.
Chrome. Chrome. Stream the radio. Theme. Search for magnify. Search for station country. The radio stream. Search for station country. The radio stream. Search for station country. Fred. Style text box.
Tap natin, halimbawa.
Magnify. Search for station country. Fred. Style text box.
Tap natin, example lang to
Space. Capital B. Bravo. Capital B. O. Oscar. O. M. Mike. M. B. Bravo. B. O. Oscar.
Yan.
Reset button. Combo text box.
Yan.
Reset. Magnify and left tilted right button. Combo text box. O.
Yan,
Oscar.
bombo. Tignan natin kung talabas yung bombo radyo. Search natin. Go natin.
Magnify. Mini mode offers a compact station list. Headings.
Yan. I-ano natin, headings natin para mas agad natin makita.
Combo radio backlot heading 3.
Yun.
Combo radio call in heading 3. Combo radio Lolo heading 3. Combo radio call in heading 3.
Example yan. So, tapan itong example to, bombo radyo kawayan.
Home. Combo
Tap
radio
natin.
call in.
Yes po.
Combo radio Legazpi heading.
Kaya sabi ko, wala nga sa listahan yung kanilang sinasabi na dealer na sinasabi nila na nag-distribute sa kanila.
Radio combo heading 3. Radio external stream link. Janus
Makikita nila
Radio
na
Pamonica. Radio combo.
itong task force kasi kumbaga
Radio
dalawang
60
beses
radio
ko ito
combo heading 3.
nag-testbay. Una, sila sinalaman. Yung pangalawa, sinamahan ng ating mga tropa, ating mga
Combo radio.
personnel,
Combo radio Legazpi heading 3.
Tumutugtog.
ng kasama ng ating
Wait lang
mga
stop
personnel.
natin
Stream link.
itong
At nakabili nga sila. At meron pa silang panit.
Minus 60.
Itong
037.
authorized
Pause
ay
button.
meron silang
Yun, na-post na. So, kapag tinap nyo na yung station na yun, nandito po sa pinakadulo yung external link dito.
Ready. Speaker low volume 64. HTTP external stream link. HTTP
Yan.
external stream link link.
Yan, external link ito.
https://stream.zeno.fm/sch95k0cov.
Yan, so kokopyahin nyo lang po yan. Yan po yung ilalagay nyo dun sa streaming link dun sa V-Radio. So, yung link yan, ang kokopyahin nyo, yun po yung ilalagay nyo dun. So, yun. Ganun lang po. Sana na gustuhan nyo po yung ating tutorial ngayon. At hanggang sa susunod muli na ating
Home button.
tutorial. So, yan. Magandang nga po.
Hyperion. Tap to pause recording. Tap the stop button.